Here I have OPPO Pad 2, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to additional settings and then go to the backup and reset. Then select reset device, erase all data and then erase data and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.